The BUKO 52cc Petrol Earth Auger, sold by Burrowmount. Introducing the BUKO 52cc two-stroke Petrol Earth Auger, your ultimate solution for digging ground holes efficiently. This powerful earth auger features a 52cc engine with a 1.2-liter tank capacity, delivering 3 GP at 9,000 revolutions per minute. Engine longevity is enhanced with a 25/1 oil mix, ensuring low emissions and reliable performance in any weather. Designed for comfort, it boasts ergonomic twin handles and anti-vibration foam grips to reduce fatigue. Starting is nearly effortless with the easy pull recoil starter, making your digging tasks smoother. Capable of digging not less than 80 pits per hour, it significantly outperforms manual labor. The versatile throttle control system allows for simple and precise operation of the auger. A choke lever simplifies the starting procedure, reducing the risk of engine flooding. The auger brake automatically stops the bit if it encounters a hard underground obstacle. Included are 3 drill bits with diameters of 100 mm, 150 mm, and 200 mm for various digging needs. Each drill bit has a length of 800 mm, providing ample reach for your projects. A free 600 mm extension pole is also included, offering additional depth when required. With a rotation speed of 9,000 revolutions per minute, this auger ensures efficient and quick digging. Experience the convenience and power of the BUKO 52cc Earth Auger for all your ground hole digging needs. Rated 4.6 stars, order today for £199.99.